am Leena Shri. In this video, we are going to see about abdomen examination. He is my patient. First, introduce yourself to the patient, ask for patient details and past history. Now, look the color of the eyes and tongue. The yellowish color denotes the patient have jaundice. Look the color of the nails of the patient and check for any clubbing of the nails. Procedures for abdomen examination. In this, first we are going to inspect, then auscultate, percussion and then palpation. First, inspection. Inspect the shape, contour and movement of the abdomen. Divide the abdomens into 4 quadrants. This is right upper quadrant, right lower quadrant, left upper quadrant and the left lower quadrant. Then divide the abdomen into 9 sections. This is epigastric region, this is umbilical region and this is suprapubic region. Auscultation. Auscultate in all the 4 quadrants. If the patient have high blood pressure or atherosclerotic disease, thoroughly look for the aorta in the epigastric region. Look for the sounds. Terminal aorta bifurcates into iliac artery below the umbilicus, where the external iliac artery bifurcates into femoral artery in the inguinal ligament. Auscultate for those arteries. Now we are going to palpate the quadrants. Do you have any pain?
No.
Look for any tenderness. Liver examination. First we are going to do percussion, that is above the umbilicus and below the nipple, from here to here. The normal liver which lies from 6 to 8 cm in mid-clavicular line and 4 to 6 cm in the mid-sternal line. Now we are going to palpate the liver to look for the liver edge. Place your left hand below, that is posterior to the patient. Place your left hand at the level of 11th and 12th rib to lift the liver. Place your right hand over the costal margin. Press firmly and then deeply to look for liver edge. Liver edge can also be determined by using hooking technique. Place your both the hands at the level of costal margin and press firmly then deeply to look for the liver edge. Ask the patient to take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. If the liver is not palpable, strike the both sides and ask the patient to compare the sensation. Now, spleen examination. If the spleen enlarges, it moves anteriorly, downward and medially. Palpation of spleen. Place the left hand over the 11th and 12th posterior rib and lift the spleen. Place your right hand on the anterior abdomen to look for the spleen. Ask the patient to take a deep breath. For fine examination, ask the patient to turn right and with the flexion of the legs. Turn right. Percussion to look for splenomegaly, that is inflammation of spleen from the area of cardiac dullness, that is from the sixth rib to the costum origin. Now kidney examination. Kidneys are the retroperitoneal organs which is usually not palpable, but we are going to examine how and its procedure. A normal right kidney may be palpable when the patient is thin and the abdominal muscles are relaxed. Now we are going to palpate the kidneys. Press deeply to capture the kidneys between your hands. Place your hands over the costovertebral margin to look for any tenderness over the kidneys. And also strike the costovertebral margin using the ball of the hand to look for any tenderness. Percussion. It is also to look for any tenderness. Special techniques to look for tympani and dullness. Tympani is a high-pitched musical sound, that is the gas or air filled in the hollowed space in the organs. Dullness is the fluid space filled by the organs. Examine tympani and dullness to look for any ascites. For fine examination, ask the patient that is shifting towards the right side. For appendicitis in McBurney's point, that is 2 cm from the anterior spinous inguinal ligament. Focus over the area. The bladder is usually not palpable unless it is distended above the symphysis pubis. Record the findings of your examination. The patient's conditions are normal and he is fine.